Morning. Gold. Okay, we had a little gap up. Friday closed bearish. Didn't engulf Thursday's candle. So we closed above the open. Friday's candle didn't fully close below. So we've pushed down today during Asian. Haven't broken Friday's low. We've pulled back up. And we have made a small top wick, so we could see gold flip bullish, continue up. Gold is still quite bullish, so that will definitely be my main bias for today. 61.81. So if we can reflip bullish, push up, potentially break Friday's high. Let's look at where we could get in from some support. Got a 4-hour support, 2652. $2652, 2625. Those would be my higher time frame levels that I'd look for gold to bounce off. Kind of already pushed up from this area. So 2.252625/52. Resistance 2678. Right, let's drop down to the lower time frame. So we have a new resistance, 2664. And the higher one, I will probably use this one because it's been tapped twice. So then we rejected here, so 2674, and the target is still gonna be a daily key level, which is all the way down here, 2585 still. For the week, let's see if we can get a nice pullback. Looks like gold is pushing right before the new 30-minute candle. We've got a low time frame support. We'll go for this deeper one here, 2645. I'm going to target the highs, which is, I'm still going to go for 2700. And those are my levels that I'm looking for today. See what gold wants to do. This looks a bit messy for me. I don't like it. Let's take that off. Send this to the Discord. Okay, that's the Zoom setup. Share the screen. Cool. Let's put the daily back on. Right, so we got our support down here. We've got our most recent support the price was holding. 52. Ooh, that's me. Cold in the mornings. Okay, so we got our most recent support and resistance levels. Got a nice big range here, 140 pips. Some good buys would have been right off of this support, but that was Asian session. We see price formed the support, bounced off, a couple retests. Now let's see if the daily can flip bullish, push up past this resistance and keep going. Yo.
This train terminates at.
Yo.
What you saying, bro?
You're right. Are you on your way to work?
Yeah, literally. Yeah, the train's ringing off.
I hear it. How's your trading been going?
It's been up and down, man, but I made a decision yesterday to properly get back on, especially because I want to start this the personal, innit? It's the end of the month, like I said.
Oh yes, yeah. You been back testing?
I haven't, you know. I've just been trading the normal way. Got like my same strategy.
Yeah.
And it's been hitting. Yeah.
Oh, good.
So,
Good.
yeah, it's been hitting. I want to start a little venture soon, but I'll let you know once it's proper, you know what?
Say no more.
Huh?
I said say no more.
Yeah. This is the first time I'm doing this season.
Yeah, everyone gets in there like, I say in about an hour. About an hour or so. Just chop it up, talk about what we're looking for. And yeah. You might be at work by the time it really starts moving.
Probably will.
You got your plan for the day? Your gold marker? You know what you're looking for?
That's what I'm doing now at the same time. So I was like, let me join this live for the Zoom call. I literally got C Trader up in the Zoom corner.
How do you like C Trader? It's nice, isn't it?
So, literally looking at gold, man. Gold is the one. Size is mad now.
Yeah, you're alright. Yeah, I'm looking for some buys.
Right when we marked up the charts, so I'm thinking buys as well. Especially because the H4 shows up. Some money is nice money. Probably thinking buys for. Let's get used to C Trader probably.
Yeah. No, I love C Trader.
Oh, you love C Trader, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, I want gold to either retest this 2652 and bounce up again.
That's exactly what I was going to say, but on the H1, also got like something like that. 26, 25?
Yeah. It's deep pullback.
Yeah. But I might have been 30, innit? Personally, I feel like you should drop to that 65 level only because the H4 Micks basically comes out of the Mars.
Yeah.
You've got the one that's got
I can't even hear you know.
You hear me now?
Yeah, it's a bit better.
Yeah, the last three times at that level.
Yeah.
Before pushing up. Mostly NY. NY there's lots of volume. So I wouldn't be surprised if like now during London we tap 2652, go back up to like 2660.
Mm-hmm.
And then come down and make it like a New York low.
Okay.
That's what I'm thinking, but it's just a case of watching it. You know, I don't even have time like that watching it.
Yeah. I mean, if we can break 2645, yeah, we might keep dropping. Then it's sort of like changing to downtrend structure for the 1 hour.
Yeah, because it's a nice key trend. I see what you've got marked up. That's nice and
Reaching junction.
And we're at all-time high still.
Oh yeah.
Around that. Yeah. So hey, the drop is pending on the weekly. Lord, the drop is pending. When that's gonna happen, I don't know. But yeah, that's how I'm thinking. Buys-wise, sales-wise, just some short-term sales. Short-term sales for 26. Knowing NY, not be surprised. Yeah, at 26.69, 26.70. There's even more resistance above that. I mean, or right now, is at the slip. We have open.
What, flip near the open?
Yeah, it's near the open, so I'm thinking that it's possibly push up to the daily resistance. You never know.
For real.
But it pushing up to the daily resistance just means more bullish momentum. But it's got to break that daily resistance and then we can that last. So I don't know if it will do.
Yeah, because it made this high during Asian session. And early in Asian session, it pushed up and then it just tanked about 2 o'clock our time.
Yeah.
Yeah. This drop here.
Say about it. Yeah.
That was like 140 pips. No, 170 pips maybe. It was a big drop. Let me see. How big was this drop?
Asia.
Yeah. 2 o'clock our time. Down here, all the way up. Why is it not moving?
Yeah, price is more bullish. But like I said, if it breaks at 26.
Yeah, 170 pips.
Yeah. Asia situation.
It's been popping recently.
I've been watching it though, to be fair, man. I'm watching this thing getting crazy. Oh, do you know what? It could actually pop. You're now looking at the candles.
Yeah, man. Making lower highs. Let's see if we can bust through this.
What, 26.52 or 26.12?
Even if it can drop, 26.45. If it drops through there, then yeah, I reckon we're going down. Clean candles down to 26.25. That's what I want to mark up where Friday's low was. If it breaks Friday's low, that's it. It's gone.
Really check what news.
Yeah, there's no news today either. I think just Powell's speaking later on.
Oh, not that guy.
Oh, yeah.
That guy, bro. I gotta owe me some credit, I tell you that. You owe me some money. My times I'm trading.
Well, it's just a speech. It's just a meeting. It's nothing like, you know what I mean? It's not any decisions.
This is the thing. That God can either move crazy or not move at all. Just because he's speaking.
Let's see what he's gonna say. Let's see where we're at.
Hopefully, a nice push spot. Well, I haven't been following them. What are they saying in terms of like interest rates? So,
this will be the first meeting after the interest rates. So today is speaking at the National Association for Business Economics annual meeting in Nashville. Yeah, I mean, it's not super important. But they're just, right now, the new talk is how much are they going to cut at the next rate?
Okay, what's the bring interest rates and inflation down and all that?
Well, if it's going to be a 50 basis points or 25.
Okay.
So they'll talk about that probably, and then, well, they won't even say what they're going to do. All he does is he says, we need to see how unemployment goes and how inflation is going, so we know how much to drop at the next one. But he never gives any idea. He just tells you what they're looking for, what they want to see. Oh, we want to see strength in unemployment or weakening unemployment, or do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
As long as inflation is staying down, then we can continue at a gradual pace. Like, it's very up in the air. But
yeah, it's vague, isn't it?
Yeah. But obviously that's on purpose. You ain't going to tell people exactly what. And plus they have to wait for the numbers anyway.
True.
That's kind of it. So if they give a hint of how dovish or hawkish they are, then we might see a major push. But for now, we already know that the rates are going to get dropped. So that's what we're going off anyway.
Yeah, because we know the risk. Because I was going to say, if gold push this much, then it means that they're going to be dropping rates anyway. And that's already priced into the market. It's just mad news. Like, but I saw this meme like last week or whatever. Thinking, yo, gold is in mad, fam.
Listen, I've been bullish on gold all September just because of the rates. Like, regardless, both my scenarios were, if it was 25 basis points, bullish. If it was 50, bullish. It didn't matter. As long as they're dropping rates, it's going to decrease USD, which will push gold. Like, that was it. Everything was going to go up.
You said, you know what? You just said that's something I've actually been looking at as well. The DAX. Remember DAX?
DXY.
DXY.
Yeah,
that's
same.
The German thing. Because I clocked, I played it from when I was in Hungary. So, like, they always were looking at the DXY.
Yeah.
And what it was doing intraday, like looking at the structure intraday, like, cool. If this is bearish today, then cool. No gold is more flat.
Definitely. It definitely correlates.
Yeah, so, I thought, this monthly candle is crazy.
I know, it ended them up today. So that was, you know what? You should join our Sunday calls, you know.
What time is it?
7.
Oh, that's hard.
Yeah, every Sunday. Every Sunday.
Right later.
Nah, every Sunday, 2 o'clock in New York, and then 7 o'clock here, and then we go over like the best trades of the week, like how we done for the week, what our thoughts are for this week. We go over what news is coming out, how gold might play out. Like, it's a good call still.
Alright, you know your thing with this Discord, man.
Yeah.
And I'm happy I'm an OG member.
Yeah.
Yeah, we start.
But you know what? You see Drizzy.
Yeah.
Drizzy trades indices as well. He trades a lot of things and he uses fibs.
Oh, man.
Yeah, like I'm telling you, you've been missing out. You would really like his style. He gets them good swing moves. He kind of reminds me of Jessica Lane.
Okay, yeah.
She's get with the minus 27 levels that are his targets.
A lot of Americans use that though.
Yeah.
From this guy called Swaggy C.
Oh, yeah.
Such a corny name, but
I know that guy. I know of him, yeah.
He used to bang out fibs. He still does as well. That's how I started trading with fibs, man. But after I met you, and I was like, the price action thing, it was just so much easier, man.
Yeah.
It's just so much easier because with the fibs, there's so many different swing highs and lows that you can pick out.
Facts. I mean? But you know what I have been using it for? Like, I don't really use it as the retracement levels, because what I've noticed is with fibs, why I stopped using it is because they would be at support and resistance levels anyway. But they have been good for all-time highs with gold. So the trade I took last week where I got out at like 2680, that was based off fib levels.
Well, like a Micks 27 essential.
It was, yes. Yeah, so I had like conviction to hold just based off that. And that was a fib that Ash drew up.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was like, okay, that's a good level because I think it's going to pop.
That makes sense, though.
Yeah, and then it actually dropped when it did the pullback on the Thursday. It pulled back from that 27 level right there on the dot. Yeah, it was mad still.
You say that it's good, like the minus like 27 and I think 61.8 level are good, like profit target levels.
Yes, yeah.
That's what they say, but I've never been able to really use it properly. So I mean, I'm gonna see what traders saying, because especially if you trade in indices, like I love gold because I understand gold and I've been through a tough relationship, man. Well, I don't understand it right now, but like US 30 and NAS, I love. I don't think I can ever leave it alone, especially because when I got my 200k
funded
valuation, yeah, I was thinking, yo, this is actually the same, because I'm having that even just on the carriages, I was casually making 4 or 5 bags a day, like with NAS US 30. I feel like I might have to have a bit of stop loss for them.
Yeah.
Because like having a 20-30 bit stop loss sometimes was kicking my ass. Like the books were crazy, but when I caught a move, like 5%, those I think those days I screenshot that like I'm out in the trade, but the trade has gone to my TP and TP was 20%.
Yeah. Wow.
Insane. Why is that? I need to be a mode and try to figure out how to do it properly in it. Stop losses and still having it decent.
Well, the only reason he doesn't talk about US 30 in the group is because no one else does. So if you were like posting US 30 analysis or talking about it, he probably would too.
What?
At least you have someone else to like do the breakdown.
There's someone else who traded US 30 as well.
Yeah, Yvonne, but I don't know what she's like, what she's up to. But I think she's in, other people's in like loads of groups, innit?
Yeah, true. This is my own view, but I prefer the smaller things. That's why I really like Capital Hungry as well, because like if you talking that quick, like people they're waiting for you every day to look something.
Oh, is it?
You know what I mean? Yeah. So you end up like I met a couple of people. I should have actually linked up with them or like connected them outside of the group. But there was like 3 main guys in there.
Yeah.
Here's that Jeff guy, and then there was the rest of us. But it's like you put stuff in the chat and like, they respect it. I mean, that's their whole thing. They want people to really know how to trade. They want people to make mistakes so that they learn from the mistakes.
Yeah.
I might even join it again. But 8 pound mark for the apples.
And he does live. He does sessions every day, doesn't he? And he do like live NY. Was it every day or every other day?
No, not every day. Most days it was. At that time he was like a bit ill in it, so.
Oh.
Yeah, he went to hospital a couple of times, but like some rare disease or whatever. I think it's right now though, but it was Sunday, then I think Monday, they would do one on Wednesday, and another on Thursday, Friday, and Monday.
Okay.
But he would always put analysis in the calendar.
Good.
Yeah, and we just other guy who Seven.
Okay.
Either 30. But personally for me, it's either 30. Not that trade, but for me, it should always win. unless it's doing like it's retracement.
Mm-hmm.
So for me, I'm just looking for this daily candle to come to some sort of support. Or even to the lie, looking at breaking and retest. So the breaking and retest, so let me screenshot one. That trade just right after after 3 though.
Okay.
Yeah.
That once the market opens and stuff.
Yeah, I left the start clean, man, because I've noticed that those days when I was making that crazy bread, it was from like 2:30 onward, and around 5:36ish, like a new H4 handle is opening, boom, making silly money. Well, I don't know why there's just like a momentum there. And then the last H4 handle is 8, I think, when it's like those. What I do is I wait for a top with or bottom and get on a buy or sell.
Okay.
Just quickly in it. But that's, yeah, and the reason I remember because I had time to look at it because all the kids are gone.
Yeah.
So I was just chilling, literally waiting just like an hour for me to be able to go home. This is what I have.
See, this new 8 o'clock candle's about to open. Gold is just chilling.
I'm down for the tunnel, by the way, so. I'm down for the tunnel.
Okay. Yeah, it's still there. Still there.
I put photos in this YouTube chat.
Yeah.
Sitting in the photos in the trade, man. Yeah, that's it. You see it?
Yeah. What's that, the 4 hour, yeah? Oh, 1 hour.
That's the 1 hour shot. Yeah, so for 4 hour, 4 level support. Yeah. Because you've got, first one's broken. Obviously, you can see that break and retest.
Yeah.
So if it taps that area again, we should possibly say a buy.
Okay.
But the one I like more is like the 4,200 bill. 4,200. That makes more sense for mine.
So you're gonna set like limits?
Well, I'm gonna watch it because at work, at the moment, I've kind of got a nice little situation where Monday to Wednesday, I'm off site. But I'm driving, so I drive to Deptford every day.
Okay.
But Monday to Wednesday, I drive to Deptford. So I'm not on site, so from like, when it gets to 10:30, I'm able to watch it. See what it's doing. But like I said, I probably more trade it until about 3 o'clock.
Cool.
Yeah, now I actually have my area. See what happens. I feel like be crazy. That's basically the same. That's why they get needs in the same way. So that's why fuck that as well.
I'm thinking about bringing GJ back. GJ's been moving recently.
Well, you ain't been trading it?
Nah, I gave up on GJ a while ago.
Finally.
Yeah, it might come back though. I'm not gonna lie. GJ might do a comeback. I ain't gonna lie. GJ's been moving.
No way.
GJ's been moving. Look at this drop. That was just them announcing a new Japanese leader. It dropped like 300 pips in 30 minutes. Not to say that this is gonna happen all the time, but it's been trending nicely recently. Like it's been moving more than usual.
That's crazy though. That is huge.
Yeah, I mean, I stopped because when I was looking at GJ trades, I'd get into a trade and I'm watching the trade, so I'm missing moves on gold. And the trades that I'm waiting for on GJ, I'm not even waiting for, the trades that I'm in and I'm looking at, they're only going like 30, 40 pips. And then when I look at what I've missed at gold, it's like 100. It's like 100 pips. So I mean, I was like, this ain't worth it.
Yeah. The thing is, I always used to look at when you traded GJ, it was always a bit more consistent.
It is, because it's a bit slower, but it wasn't as bad. And the money was less though, that's the thing. You make more with gold.
Oh yeah, for sure. That's why I love gold. That's why I left, and I left GJ alone. But also GJ, the wicks, she should do dirty.
Oh yes, yeah, it was very wicky. At one point, it was just super wicky.
I was taking me out every time.
Yeah.
You and my brother both trade quite similar. In terms of, especially like the breaker low and breaker high, like waiting for that. For me, I could do it.
Yeah.
So that's why I just said, yeah, GJ, that's your thing. Maybe if I see a super nice setup, I show it, and it makes sense for how to prepare it, especially because like the Japanese interest rates are negative and etc. Like you can really analyze it well.
Yes, yeah.
So, I mean, it's one of the easier pairs to analyze, and obviously it moves because you got a pound in the end, just big powerful things that are literally opposites.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's perfect, but boy, GJ getting the trauma. Gold is, that's why I don't go. Gold is to just get a nice 30 to 50 pips every day.
Oh yeah.
But 30 pips 5 days, 150 pips for me. I'm not comparing that. But you can easily get 100 pips.
And it's been creating some nice ranges. Some nice ranges.
I think that's when I trade gold best, you know.
What, when it's ranging?
Yeah, when it's ranging, when it's consolidating.
Yeah, because you can literally sell from the top, buy from the bottom.
Yeah. That's it. And maybe if there's a bit of momentum, it might wick up a bit higher. But like, it'll wick up and I'm still getting anything. Let's say I take it, I'll take another one.
Yeah. Take
another trade and then it does what it needs to do.
Yeah, we had a nice range last month.
Yeah, I was watching that actually. I'm thinking of what platform to use there, man. I don't know if I should use C-Trader or...
C-Trader, definitely. Do you know why? Yeah. Because the information that C-Trader gives you, like there's a part called trade statistics, which really breaks down your trading. It will give you your average, your average trade time, how much pips you bought overall. Like yeah, it's just nice. Your win-loss ratio. does it all for you.
Is it American or
No, it's not American because they don't allow US traders. Yeah, I'm not sure where it is, to be honest. I'm not sure where it is. Alright, gold, come on. I just want this daily to flip bullish and then just push up.
Are you going to take the down there? You take it?
No, I haven't taken it yet. I haven't taken nothing yet. I wanted buys from 2652, but it's not really come back down there to retest. And let's see, massive Asian range. I would like a closure above 2659, but it's happening so early on in the candle. If it closes above, might push up. Too close to resistance, but we'll see. You'll see. Oh, Howard, yo. I didn't even see you coming in. What's goody?
Yo, what on?
Morning. How was your birthday?
Yeah, it was alright, man. It's nice and chilled. Just went to kickball yesterday. 5-1, I think, 5-2.
Nice.
Got M1. Quick man in the match thing. Came home.
Nice.
Yeah, came home, chilled, and then went to some place in the north. Some like Caribbean pub place.
Okay.
Had some like a Caribbean roast dinner sort of thing.
Okay.
So I went there, Chloe, and then went to go check parts on the way home because I was driving through the ends. And then, yeah, man, I just came home and just chilled out.
Nice.
Had a kind of earliest night car. I was just like, I need to be out this morning to get on this.
That's it.
What are you saying?
Just waiting. You know how it goes? Waiting for these candles to close.
Yeah.
How did your analysis go?
Yeah, it was alright. There's quite a few bullish pairs going on at the moment. Like some decent trends. I'm in a trade now for AUD CAD, like Aussie CAD.
Yeah.
For a buy because structure looks good.
Okay.
And there was a little pullback of the 20 EMA, so I thought, yeah, you try to get in there, see what I want.
See how it works for you, innit?
Yeah. Yeah, so I think it's just gonna be. I've got it at a good entry, but I think I've just got to wait this one out. I'm gonna leave it in there today and see what's going on.
Good. You got a TP, or you're just gonna hold it, see how it goes?
Nah, there's not really much going on up there. It looks like it's at a mad high, so I can't really put a TP, but if I collect like 20 pips, 30 pips, I'm good at that, you know. Just gotta see how long it's gonna take to make them big pushes work. I think Friday about midday was a big bull candle.
Oh yeah.
So got in already. So if I could see something like that, then I'll be happy. But in terms of market analysis, everything looks right. Like bullish on the daily. All the EMAs are in line. Bullish on the 4 hour, again, all in line.
Good.
And then same on the 1 hour, and then even on the 30 minute, it literally it's like the first bull candle closest to the 20. And then I got in just above the top wick of the previous bull.
Okay.
Yeah, so
strategy played out nice.
Yeah, it's exactly what I was supposed to be doing. So that's why I thought, fuck it, let me drop that one in there now, see how it performs over the day, and then see what I go on. But there's a few bullish pairs that I noticed today. There's I've got well, obviously sterling USD. That looks like that's teeing up for another push off, because again it's bullish on the daily. I think I've got too many tabs open.
I feel like most USD pairs should be bullish. Dollar is so bearish right now. So bearish. Yeah, man. Well, it's kind of ranging down here, but yeah.
Let's see if I can pull this back up. Yeah, so yeah, it's bullish at the moment, but I think it's in phase one. So I think the last big push of that line was last big push of that line was on Thursday last week.
What, from the
right
EMA?
Now it's like,
What, from the EMA?
Yeah, right now it's literally, there's one candle at the bottom wick is closed over the EMA on the 4 hour.
Okay.
So I'm waiting. This one is like open above it. So I'm gonna
Wait for it to close.
Yeah, I'll wait for that one to close and then I'll see, because I'm looking now on the 1 hour. The 20 and the 50 is right on each other there on the crossover.
Okay, so they're not aligned yet?
No, not on the 1 hour, but daily and 4 hour is.
But they have to be aligned on your lower time frame for your entries, right?
I think so, yeah. There's good space on the daily, good space on the 4 hour. But yeah, wait, I think this 1 hour is just, I think because it's going up anyway, it's going to create some space. They're right next to each other, like they're about to cross over, but I don't think they are.
Yeah.
So I just got to wait for that to open up properly.
Yeah, because GU looks like it's ranging right now. Even though it's going up, I mean, the most recent candles are just sideways, isn't it?
Well, Euro JPY.
No, I thought you talk about pound dollar.
Yeah, pound dollar,
Yeah, it's a sideways.
yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely not trending yet.
Yeah.
Like, overall it's bullish, but nah. Like,
Yeah.
you're at the bottom. You're at the bottom of the range right now, basically.
Yeah.
Pretty much. So yeah, there's definitely, it's not
then,
really trending properly.
I looked at Euro USD as well. That's bullish overall, but it's ranging at the moment.
Yeah.
So I'm not even touching it. Yeah, it's just the same thing. So Euro USD, daily's fine, 4 hours fine, but the 4 hour, it's literally right. This candle is just breaking through that 20 EMA, so I'd have to wait for another candle and see how that closes. But that's going to be another hour and 45, and then I'll have to wait another 2 hours after that.
Okay.
Or 4 hours after that, so that, I'm not going to look at that again at like probably midday. And then Aussie dollar is looking good on the daily, 4 hour and the 1 hour, but I think it's already in phase two. A good buy would have been like 11 o'clock last night. But right now it's
When
just
the market opened.
Yeah, there was a big push up there. But when it's only,
The thing is with them pairs as well, they're going to be closed now. So Australia's going to be closed now because it's the Asian sessions ended, and the US dollar's not even open yet. So the volume, like what's going to push those pairs right now? Nothing if none of them markets are open.
Exactly.
So that's why I'm very selective about what I'm trading, depending on the time that I have. Like, yeah, the buys probably would have been good yesterday when their market opened. But yeah, it's going to be low volume now. That's the thing with trading multiple pairs at different times and different things. Like you want to catch the volume, or at least when the volume is starting, so that you're already in the move once it's taken off, and then it's just continuing.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
So yeah, so I'm literally just watching that. I've looked at gold briefly, but we haven't looked at it now.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for a close above this resistance. I'm glad it's not really pushing off, but it could by the time the candle closes.
Yeah, it's just that daily flip, innit?
Yeah. Like I want this candle to close above resistance, then the next candle flip, do like flip bullish for the daily, and then continue up.
Yeah.
But it looks like it's struggling at this resistance.
Yeah.
New 15-minute candle opens. We could get a 15-minute double top. But let's see.
Oh yeah, true.
Just gotta wait for the candle to close.
Yeah, right now it's my line's all over, I guess.
But then we got, just to look at it, it's going up, so minor bullish.
Yeah, on the 1 hour it's not really much going on.
Nah. On the 1 hour, I was talking about it yesterday on the call. If price breaks 2645, I think it was, we were saying that it's transitioning into a downtrend. Because we got the high now, and now prices, it's making lower lows and lower highs. So we need it to make a lower low, and then, yeah.
Yeah, it is on the 1 hour, yeah.
But then the only thing is that we push back up in this range. Like we broke the low, like the last low, but then we pushed back up. So as long as we're kind of above here.
Yeah, I've got my supports at 2645 and resistance at 2663.
Yep.
So yeah.
Yes, I don't want this 30-minute to break the last 30-minute low.
Yeah. So my candles are aligned on a daily and 4 hour, but 1 hour's all over the place. And EMAs are all over the gap.
Yeah, I can imagine they're probably sideways.
Yeah. Yeah, the 50's on top on the 30. And on the 15.
Yeah, I can believe
and
that.
the 1 hour.
I can believe that. And I bet they're close together as well.
Yeah, the 30 and the 15 are like the 15 is touching. The 30 is like really close together with the 2 as well.
Yeah. Range is tightening.
Yeah.
See, I can tell what's happening without even seeing it.
Yeah, nice.
That's it.
Yeah.
Oh man, because it's telling you what you can already see. Price is ranging. So if price is ranging, this is what the EMAs should look like. Asian had a drop, that 2 a.m. candle every day during Asian. It's either going to push or it's going to drop. And it dropped 140 pips last night.
Jeez.
This candle right here. Tapped the resistance and then dropped. Came all the way down here and then pushed back up. That was a 50 pip rejection.
Yeah, that's mad.
Yeah.
That's the thing, that's where you want to get in, but there's nothing that's gonna
in the middle of the night.
Yeah, exactly. But there's nothing, but even then, like, there's nothing there. Say that's dropping drastically. But unless you've got a zone mark there, I mean, to be fair, to the left, there's loads of like wicks in it. Loads of long wicks, which is showing rejection from that price. But it's like, are you going to be in a mindset to be like, right, it's dropping here. The previous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles have got long wicks there. If it touches this zone, I'm getting in a buy from here.
No, you wouldn't. Yeah, you wouldn't really know.
You wouldn't do that. No. Yeah. So it's just like, those are the moves you want to catch, but there's nothing, like all your confirmations and rules and stuff won't set up to do that.
Like if this had dropped and then it pushed back up and then this support was holding, I would be looking to get, I would have probably tried getting around here. I'd be looking for entries. Once this support formed here, because we've got a support, we have a support established, then we've got a resistance, and we've tapped the support and then closed kind of like above the resistance.
Yeah.
With this candle, then this would be the entry candle, but that's 5:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? And then also, like, even though we had this push down, price didn't break Friday's low down here. So the daily looks good for buys because we're kind of rejecting the lows. And then we've got all of these rejection candles, all these wicks in this area. So, yeah, I think I'm definitely more bullish on gold today. It's just there is some conflicting things like this 1 hour downtrend. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So yeah, it's definitely more ranging than anything. I don't think any moves today are going to be long holds. Probably just quick in and out.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for today, man. Just want to grab a few pips and then keep it stepping.
There's no news today, just Powell talking later.
Yeah, but shouldn't be anything significant to move the market.
Nah, it's just a conversation. It's just him having a meeting and people asking questions and knowing Powell, he's going to be very vague. Oh, we just need to see what's going on. We need more data. That's what he's going to say. Because people are going to be like, oh, so do we know how much we're going to drop at the next meeting? And he's going to say, well, it depends if employment is cooling or blah, 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 blah. So, yeah, the meetings, they don't really hold significant weight to me. But there's a lot of news for the rest of the week. A lot of news this week. Tuesday, for the rest of the week, there's news. PMIs, we've got ADP on Wednesday, which is, it's not crazy. It's not going to be much, but got JOLTS, job openings tomorrow as well. NFP Friday. Like, yeah, gold's gonna move this week. Definitely gonna have some movement. Okay, this is good. Pushing up towards the end of the candle. This is good. Oh, that could have been an aggressive entry at the break of these highs, man.
Okay, looks like a little engulfing business morning.
Yeah.
Well, this closes above that bear candle anyway.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Could be a good entry.
That's too big. So if this was got in like here. Now I'm just thinking stop loss wise. 25 pip stop at the break of that high. No, I'm waiting for this.
Whereabouts?
Like if I was thinking about getting in when it pulled back to this, when it broke the bearish candle high.
Yeah.
But I think I'm just gonna wait.
Wait till this candle closes.
Yeah. I mean, just not rushing to nothing.
Mm.
Because then what I want is this candle to close above, and then the next candle probably tap this resistance.
And then go up.
Yeah. Like a little retest. Let's see. 4 minutes left.
Yeah, I'm just thinking, it's just so long now. I've got 2 accounts, so it's just so long. I've got a couple of accounts. I need to actually, to be fair, I can trade off my iPad.
Yeah, put them on different things, isn't it? So you got your main gold one and then one for the other pairs.
Yeah. Gold one is here still. Yeah, so what's this one? What's the 166 one? Accounts. Yeah.
Come on, Goldie. Yeah, I don't even want it to push up too much, so we're not too close to resistance. That'll be target 1. And 2, 6, 7. Call it 4. 4 hours looking back. Yeah, broke the last 4-hour high. Been breaking above resistance.
So we're getting around 2659.
No, I want it to retest, but I'll probably want to get in at the break of this candle high, depending on how this candle closes. Depending on this candle closes. If it closes above, then I want it to tap here at least. Yeah, probably might get in a small position there at the retest, and then add positions if it breaks the high as well.
Was you getting already?
No.
Oh.
Not yet. Wait for the candle to close. Nah, not yet. Because what I'm thinking about now is a stop loss.
Yeah, it's too big.
Yeah, so if I get in on the retest here, I could have one stop loss below the previous candle, which would be good, 21 pips. And then if I get in at the break of the high, then I'll use the entry candle low as a stop loss.
Okay. Because it shouldn't retest that low, innit?
Yeah, I wouldn't want it to break its own low. If it started to break its own low, then the trade it wouldn't become invalid, but yeah, I'd probably start closing positions, like reducing. Oh, look at that close.
Below, that's mad.
Oh man, that is crazy.
to be fair though, it's brought the EMA like right next to each other now.
Mad.
With that closure, it's put the 20 right underneath the 50.
Yeah, that's not a bullish sign. That's
No.
not. That's a bearish sign. That's bearish.
But it's the 20's going up and the 50's going down. But there was a bigger gap before. But if that 50 goes above, if that 20 goes above the 50, that's showing you're waiting for closure below that 50 and then that's below that 20 and that's it. Sells where?
Yeah, but then none of the other time frames are above it though, are they?
No.
So
The daily, it's below the daily flip. Obviously daily still going to be bullish in it, but 4 hour. Yeah, see, so on the 4 hour, the last candle was bearish, but this current one has opened below the 20. So if this closes underneath,
so does the 4 hour have to be aligned as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, it's just ranging. It's ranging. Price is ranging.
Yeah, because on the 1 hour, it's all mad. 1 hour's a bit all over the place, and so is the 30 minute.
I can't believe it closed like that.
Literally, it was like 5 seconds away.
They just said nope.
Wait that process. And that's the thing, if you wait that process out again and you close above, it's very close to the daily flip and the resistance. So probably no point getting into it. But
I mean, if it closed like here, anywhere close below here, that would have been fine for me, because to this next resistance, it's at least like 40 pips.
Yeah.
Like 40, 50 pips, that's fine. If it was like 20, 30, then probably not, because that's as big as my stop loss. But I'm thinking my stop loss would have been what, 20 pips, and then my TP is at least 40 pips away. That's a 2-to-1 ratio. That's fine for me. Even 1-to-1 is fine, but that would have been enough, because if we closed above, then the trade that I would have got in, the daily would have flipped bullish whilst I was in the trade. That's fine. That is definitely fine. Retest Asian highs at least. Yeah, I would have been good with that. But gold had other ideas. The only thing is, now the 30 minute is respecting the previous lows. So it's still pushing up.
To be fair, saying getting into sells. They're saying to sell now from between 2659 to 2663. Getting sells down to 2657. And then TP2 is 2655.
Yeah, good for them, boy.
Someone just collected. That's mad though. They collected what, 8 pips there. They put 3 lots on, collected 8 pips, and that's like £300.
Yeah, 10 pips. 10 pips should be, 3 bills on a free lot. $30 per pip.
That is correct. Bomber clock.
Okay, it's breaking the previous low. Yeah, top whip projections on this 1 hour. still couldn't even sell here because it's creating a resistance, but the candle hasn't closed, so it could still push up.
It's mad rejecting as well, and all the bottom wicks. I think if it breaks this 2656 or 2655, then it's breaking the previous low.
Yeah, on the 1 hour.
Yeah, but this is mad rangy, man. Just don't know.
Yeah, that 1 hour downtrend looks like it's hitting.
It's a big rejection at 2660, isn't it?
I wouldn't say big rejection, it's only 30 pips.
I was thinking, because obviously the two previous candles as well, similar rejections. Showing that price ain't ready to push it.
Yeah, it keeps tapping this daily flip too, getting close to the daily flip. Just want to see how this 1 hour candle closes. If it closes bearish, then yeah, it looks like it's creating a 1 hour lower high. And then yeah, it could continue down, but you've got to see how the 1 hour closes first.
He was right, you know. Should have got him. His TP2 is 2655. It's gonna hit that. Yeah, he literally sent that signal 15 minutes ago.
Start breaking a 1 hour low yet? Looks like it.
Yeah. It has.
Come on, Goldie. London session hasn't really been giving us much recently.
Yeah, it's like no volume, man.
How's your other trade getting on?
It's almost at like it's like minus 1.19 at the moment.
Okay.
$1.19.
And that's what Aussie USD.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be low volume.
Yeah, it literally like it broke above the high of the previous week and then went down for some reason.
Like the candle's small.
No, it's quite a bullish-ish candle. That's quite a big, decent body candle. It's the biggest volume it's been since, since last week, since Friday.
What do you mean on the daily?
On the 1 hour.
Oh.
Yeah, so I got in and then it just dropped down, but it's trying to push back up.
See what GJ is doing.
And then on the 30-minute, it was just making, it was making the high low.
Okay.
So now this one just opened, I think. So let's trying to get there, man. But it's only like, it's literally £1 something in drawdown, so it's not that bad. It just keeps flickering.
Keep an eye on GJ today.
Yeah, they said that, they said in the other group that Japanese yen might be turning to a bullish or something like that.
Yeah, some mad news came out there on Friday. That's why it dropped. It dropped like crazy. Just tanked Friday morning. Boom.
They said they said the yen index on a 4-hour time frame, JPY bulls is just gearing up after Friday's volatility.
Big time. See if this is just a little retest down here. Also a little 15-minute double top-ish. Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah. Shoot it.
There's nothing, no news yet. Gold could just rain the whole day.
Same.
Truly. Let's see what go on. And it's the last day of the month too.
Like you said, sell off, man.
Yeah, potentially. But then we could have had that sell-off on... That could have been the sell-off on Thursday.
Well, then back to bullish.
Yeah, because it dropped. Was it Thursday? Yeah, because it dropped, innit? And then it pushed back up right at the end of the day. So right back into this range. No, Friday, yeah. We had a little sell-off and then shot back up. So it wasn't a bad drop though, it was like 300 pips. For it to then trace like another nearly 200. Didn't think it would retrace so much at a 4-hour candle, do you know what I mean? Didn't think it would. New 15-minute candle. Yeah, if nothing happens at 9 o'clock, it's gonna be no movement, dead. Bounce around in this bit.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, this 15-minute, this candle, this will look good on the EMAs. Yeah, on the 15-minute, it's the EMAs of a line now. Jeez, TP2 hit. Mad thing.
So what was that, 50 pips?
Jeez. Yeah, they're going to play.
Yeah, nah, wouldn't be no entry there for me. It's one of them days where price moves in Asian, a little bit slower in London, and then kills it in NY.
This let's see if it respects this
yeah, if we close below 52, yeah, definitely be looking for sales down to 45, 70 pip range.
Oh my days, look at this.
Let's see what Goldie wants to do. Oh, I'll be back. Let me just get water real quick.
Yeah, I'm gonna go make a coffee and then be back.
Cool. Oh, we came down to 52. We're going to retest Asian lows. Right, let's see what it does at this support. wick on the 15. Barely a top wick on the 30. Boom, boom. See if it can push through this rejection area.
Looks like sells if this closes.
Yeah. Yep.
Look for like a pullback up to, not even pullback.
Yeah, I
I
need
think maybe.
just a little top wick. I don't like
Hoping
this
it'll pull back up
rejection.
to like 2652, innit?
Yeah. I want the sells, I do. So I don't like these rejection wicks right here.
There we go. I think if it touches this 5-2 range, I'm gonna get in.
Okay.
Because then it's clean range down to like 4-5, isn't it?
It is pretty clean. But like I said, I don't know, I don't want to rush anything on a Monday, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, and to be fair, like,
I just don't like these wicks. It's the wicks for me, innit? Well, I took the Asian range off and I'm like, right, that's a long ass wick.
Yeah, true.
But the sell bias is there. 1 hour's created a lower high. I mean, the sells definitely do look good. They definitely look good. Can't lie. They actually look good.
Yeah, look, it's touched the zone.
Tapped it perfectly. Once it flips bearish, breaks the low, yeah, it should drop.
Entry wise though, like, that was where you want to get in, but it's just like, what if it doesn't flip bearish? So you can't. It's like you're sacrificing those 20 pips.
And then where are you gonna put your TP? I mean your stop loss.
Yeah, exactly. That's a long ass wick.
It's a nice closure.
I got created low high.
Yeah, that would have been a nice entry though. It would. You just have to have like a, just say, you know what, stop loss would be like 20 pips, just a random 20 pip stop loss.
Yeah.
Like, that's it. That's the only thing I don't really like about it, is that I would love a retest. Like with this one, if we got the retest, at least we know that the candle before wouldn't have been that long away, wouldn't have been that far. It would have been like 25, I think it was 20 pips we said. Do you know what I mean? If that retested and we got in on a retest here, but with here, there's nowhere for a stop loss.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I don't really like about it. It's not even, like on the lower time frames, it's not really giving a stop loss. So we've stopped at a minor 5 minute support, 15 minute support. But yeah, it could just flip and drive. It could. It's just, yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. Like stop loss wise, where would I put it? So yeah, if it don't set up too nice for me, then yeah, I don't wanna force nothing. Like it's dropped already. I like to sell better from a resistance. Anyway.
Yeah. It's like below halfway now, isn't it? So
yeah, like if this candle closed like anywhere in this range, like above here, but it formed a resistance, then I could have taken a sell on the next candle coming down to at least, you know, break there and continue. But this is just a long ass drop. And even on, I was looking on the 5 minute, still wouldn't have been an entry for me. It didn't really create a 5 minute double top. It was making new highs, like higher highs. Yeah, I wouldn't have had an entry there. I mean, this closing back in the range would have been nice, but yeah, like I said, I'm not forcing nothing. I want to start the week nice, sticking to my rules, confident in the trade. It's crazy that it's just bouncing around this level and not just pushing up back in the range.
yeah, exactly. Wow. This guy killed it. On the free lots, yeah? Quick 100 pips.
Yeah,
Caught
3
from
bags.
26.60
Okay, nice.
and made 32,709 bags.
32,000
Yeah. They must have a mad account.
on a 3 lot.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Because 10 pips is 100. Yeah, that's right. 10 pips would be 300. No, that should be, it should be 3 grand.
But they layered in it.
So it's more than 3 lots.
Yeah, it's much more than 3 lots, yeah, but they layered 3 lots at a time, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Fucking hell.
So all of his trades are like 2-7 on this one, 2-6, 2-5, 2-5, 2-5, 2-2, 2-3, 2-3. Yeah, so he got in, the earliest one he got in was at like 2,660, and he layered all the way to 2,658,
Nice.
and he closed at 2,651.
Very nice.
Crazy.
It's good for him, boy. Do they show their losses as well as their wins?
This one, they don't. I don't think they have, and that's the thing. Like, you know that they never if a too much show losses, it's just tacky.
Facts.
No, I mean, this person got in on 0.05, but they layered. They closed pretty quickly, to be fair, for now. But they made like £230. It's not bad. What? Who does that? 6 lot, you know?
Yeah, that depends on the account size though, innit? Like, I was watching a guy this morning and he's dropping 15 lots.
Like, how?
For a big account size, then it's nothing, innit? When I was trading on my funded, when I had a funded, I was using 50k, 100k, and 20k accounts. I was dropping 10 lots on my 100k account. Like, do you know what I mean? I made bags off that. But it's not, you have to think in percentages. I was only risking like 10, 15 pips. Not even 10%, 1%. 10, 15 pips.
Yeah, 1%, sorry, on 100k.
That's it. On a 100k account, 10, 15 pips, 1.5k was like 1.5%. Like, in a percentage wise, it's nothing.
Mm.
You know what I mean? So, yeah, that don't really mean. It depends on your account size. So where he's hitting like 100 pips. Look at Millie. Millie was doing what? 10 lots, even 5 lots, and she caught how many pips? Like 100 and. When I worked it out, she got like 7 grand.
Mad.
And withdrew. Do you know what I mean? And she's got I know her account ain't massive. And she'll pull out and start again. So yeah, it all depends, like account size. Okay, at least we're getting a top wick. Now, if price was to flip bearish, you'd have a good entry now because you could use this top wick as a stop loss.
Yeah.
So now it's creating a nice big stop loss. That's if it wants to come back down. Flipping out, pushing right back under the range.
Right.
Gold, though. Trust issues with gold. That's why I'm extra careful, you know. Extra careful.
Have to be.
Facts, you really do.
To be fair, on 1 hour EMAs, it's in line still.
But it's the 30-minute, it's the 4 hour. Like, so what are the specific rules of your strategy? Like, all the higher time frame ones have to be in line.
Yeah. Cool. Do you know what's, man? I'm gonna go on the site again.
Yeah, you need to have it at least written down somewhere. So for buys, I need this on this time frame. So from top to bottom, you need to have it all set out. Because if they're not all aligned, there's no point saying the H1 is aligned, but the 30 minutes not. The 4, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I think they said that the daily and the 4 the daily and the 4 hour need to be aligned, and the 1 hour is for entries.
Okay, so on the 4 hour, the 4 hour is definitely not going to be aligned. It's not going to be aligned going down because gold is very bullish. So this would just be a pullback.
No, but the 4 hour is 4 hours aligned right now.
Yeah, for buyers.
Yeah, we're waiting for
Right, but then the lower time frames are going to be aligned for sells. That's what I mean. They're conflicting, aren't they? So then that should make it invalid because they're conflicting. They're going opposite ways. So for them all to be aligned the same way, you got to wait for the 30-minute and the 1 hour. So right now the EMA is on the lower time frames. They're not going in the direction that you want it to be going. They're going against the trend.
Yeah.
So yeah, they're invalid right now. So they wouldn't. The strategy wouldn't apply just yet.
Let's see if I can open this course again.
Yeah, you gotta, if you're gonna use the strategy, you gotta have all of this stuff down pat. That entry would have been 20 pips in drawdown by now.
Peak. Not gonna lie, this CAD buy is not looking good. It's Aussie dollar CAD.
Oh, it's Aussie CAD. Well, both of them are closed, isn't it, right now? Both of them, both the economies are closed right now.
It's just ranging.
Yep, because there's no volume. Because what's going to move it? London's not going to move it. We don't care about Aussie. We don't care about CAD. You should have a like what I used to do back in the day is I'd have like a piece of paper with all 3 sessions, so when they open and close, and then underneath that what pairs are active in those sessions. But that's when I used to look at everything as well, and then I was only looking at pairs. So if I was looking at the Asian session, what's open in Asian session? Cool. You know what I mean? London, what's open in London, and like that. I would never get into a trade where both pairs are closed.
Yeah.
Just, yeah, no volume. No volume.
Moving averages, so cool. I'll watch this video again.
Moving averages. Moving averages give us a better image. The market is going sideways, it's noisy, we stay away from it. As I said earlier, you've got trend of the market. And of course, the last being 200. Now, the 200 being